Hey friends! Today I'm going to show you some super easy watercolor paintings that you can try. I love using markers and watercolor paints to make pictures for my journal and for gifts, and I hope this video gives you some inspiration to try some of these designs. So for the first one, I'm just using some Tombow markers that I'm adding water to. This is one of my favorite ways to make journal pages. Basically, I'm just layering on the colors. And then add on some gold leafing to highlight some of the areas. I just love this look. Next is to give more definition to the flowers and stems. Don't those look so pretty? You can even use this idea to sell things in your Etsy shop too. Journals and ephemera sell really well over there. The next one is a rose watercolor painting using some watercolor paints, and I'll leave the link to these supplies in the description and comments. This is pretty much the same technique as the previous one, where I'm just layering colors down. I think this would make a cute little greeting card cover. You could just get some double-sided tape and tape it right onto some cardstock. I really love how this one turned out. Another way to do watercolor paints is write in your journals. This time, I'm using a journal from Archer and Olive, and I really like these ones because the pages are really nice and thick. Next, I'll add on some glitter accents with my Wink of Stella glitter pen. I absolutely love how these lay down really fine glitter. It looks so pretty and amazing. For the last one, I'm using watercolor brush pens to color in this printable flower page. These are really fun to try when you are a beginner. This set is from a company called Hippie Crafter, and they have all kinds of art supplies.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Give a like and subscribe for more crafts and DIYs.